I'm from Port Elizabeth. I actually drove here all the way yesterday, about 12 hours to get here. And I came simply to get more information about what it actually entails to be a digital entrepreneur.
I really enjoyed the interview of the 4 contestants for the MTN mobile app. They could share with us their insights and also how they start the company, which is very interesting as an entrepreneur because they're sharing their struggles and how they bring their business to the next level. And I thought it was very valuable information for free.
As an entrepreneur, this is very essential for your business to survive, for future, for sustainability, to get to know this, and this is the place to be.
I've learned a lot in respect of what I can apply in my own business.
For small businesses, this has really been very insightful for me.
I had a fantastic day and the lunch was very nice as well.